Good day, friends. Me, Gopa Chakravarti, presenting Greenhouse, Kolkata. Greenhouse is at 458 Kiatala Road, Kolkata. And friends, my booking number goes like this: 89810 So, how are you all keeping? Here I am with a new episode. Again, to start with, I don't hesitate to start with cottons. Every time the cottons are attracting me. So, the summery cottons, I will give you a few pieces of summery cottons to start with. Then I will keep on, just keep watching. Let me start. Yes. This design is very familiar to you, friends. This is number one. The product number one of my episode. This time on a fresh lemony yellow. So many you have asked for the design in different colors. So I made it on this color. Very soothing, a beautiful embroidery. This has become so popular from Greenhouse. This is the one. It's freshly made for you. Look at the color palette. We have used an English, this is bluish grey, and the mint green leaves. That is total effect. এটা দেখুন ভারী সুন্দর, এত কাজ রয়েছে, প্রচুর কাজ, and these are all on pure Dhonekhali cottons, checkered ones. You could make out the silver checks. This is going for 4,800. 4,800, dear friends, for this sari. And this is the one which we are getting made every time. And look at this color palette. It's so soothing for your summer parties even. You can carry these on your summer evenings. Look at my rose bunch designs. This is again a very special kind of grey. This is not the usual stuff. Going for 4,800, dear. 4,800. And dear friends, please subscribe the channel. You will get notification on time. New viewers, please subscribe. Look at this. This is on a handloom cotton. And typical from our store, this is all mix match embroidery. And this blue is very attractive. This is peacock blue, deep. And it's in Banjara style. This is the one. Little bit of motifs here, there, all throughout the body. And this kind of beautiful border on both sides. The whole sari goes like this. This is the one. Dear friends, hopefully we have a blouse piece na etate. The blouse piece with the sari. Yes, this is the blouse piece with the sari. It's priced 4,600. 4,600. 4,600. Here's on a dual tone. Dual tone में देखिए साड़ी बनी हुई है. What a शानदार effect. It's a beautiful effect. Look at this. It's styled like this, and they're all hand embroidery. Hand work, needle work on a dual tone cotton. So this is the one. These are all inspired by Lambani work. Our girls have done all these. 4,600, dear friends, with the blouse piece. Haven't I showed the blouse piece? Okay, this is the blouse piece with the sari. They're all running blouse piece with the sari. This is the one. And here I bring you the sari what I am wearing today. This is the sari. It's a very graceful one, and I loved the feel of the sari. Such light, skin friendly, and I'm very comfortable today. There's no weight as such. This is the one, the same sari. I've got it made for you. These are direct from the weavers. Total beauty. They're all hand woven saris. Hand loom, they're not power loom. Hand loom saris, both sides, different colored border. These designs are very typical. They're passing it to generations, these designs also. They're very traditional. And this is a hand loom. This is the total effect, and the width, which I specify all the time. Width is very sufficient. Width is around 46, 47 inches. You'll be very happy with this sari. This sari is costing you 2,400. 2,400 only. 2,400 at the special one. Look at this. This is the one. It's like this. Here, these are, hand-rolled cottons. Hand-rolled cottons. These are khadi cottons, hand-rolled ones. Hand-rolled cottons, যেগুলো চরখায় তৈরি করে ওই রকম। Look at this. It's such a soft feel. मजा ही आ जाएगा ये पहन के। And it is giving a cool effect to the body. আর এই কাজটাও কিন্তু it is all with hand weaves. I will show the wrong side. This is the one. You could see these are all handmade saris. Market you are getting the same designs on replica, but this is hand woven. And friends, I wanted you to encourage my weavers. And this is like this. This is a contrast, striking border. Small buttas all throughout. All hand woven. And looms are. This is like this. The sari is such a beauty. This is going for 4,800. 4,800. This is the color. Such soothing. पहन के देखिए गर्मियों में, गर्मियों का ही साड़ी है ये. Look at this. Look at the extensive work done on the achal. They're all hand work. And dainty buttas all throughout the sari. Oh, these are all with BP. I didn't mention. For that sari, they're all with BP, dear friends. They're all with BP. And these are the buttas made on the sari. All handmade saris. They're all handmade. It's a lovely thing. Especially the color. This is with the magenta border. Light emerald type of this thing. Yeah, this is again a powdery feel, no? This greyish, but it's different grey. This is bluish grey. What skin friendly, beautiful colors. देखो निगुलो, 4,800 for each piece. Lovely things. They're all hand weaves, hand woven. Hand woven saris from Greenhouse. They're all with BP. They're running BP. They look soothing, you know. You wear in the same color, it'll look nice. এটাতে একটা কালারই ভালো লাগবে, এক কালারই পরলে আমার মনে হয়. This is an eternal beauty. Oh, I love this. Look at this. এগুলো সব timeless beauty. Such a grand piece. একটা শাড়ি নিয়ে দেখুন. Such comfort you will get. How artistic. All hand embroidered thing. And is it worth? It is 4,800 for the. I'm not sure if I'm justifying the price because they are giving so much toil on the sari. 4,800 only, dear friends. It's the pride of Bengal. These are hand-rolled cottons with the Dhakai buttas for the achal and the blouse piece. Same here, one more. This is more work. This has a Ganga Jamuna border. There's a black and red on different sides. They're all hand-rolled cottons, woven. Look at the buttas inside. They've given a lot of buttas. Very smart wear. And with this kind of blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. This is costing 4,600, dear. 4,600. 4,600. Yes, this is my effort, you know. This was the material, this was the sari actually. I got it printed. The block prints are done over here. This was our effort to beautify this sari. Oh, it looks so fantastic when worn. We have been selling these saris to you all. So many of you have got this sari also. Just a minute. This has a temple border which is woven. They're the same material, hand rolled cottons. This is the weaving portion. The total weave, and what I call it, this is our effort. We have beautified the sari, block print, again hand block print. So many my artisans are involved to make one sari. बहुत ही प्यारी लगेगी ये साड़ी पहन के. Very graceful. And here's this is the one. This is the total effect of the sari. This is priced 4,800, dear friends. 4,800. When you wear this, it gives a very novel look. एकदम classic लग beautifully. It's giving a classic look. Don't you like this? And nevertheless, they're all hand woven things, so they're very comfortable, skin friendly. Eco friendly तो है ही, but skin friendly भी बहुत आरामदायक साड़ी है. 4,800. And now my batiks are waiting for you. Let me display. They are waiting to get displayed. Batiks देखो. Batiks from Greenhouse. So this is our heritage, Kolkata. Depicts Kolkata. Yellow taxi, Pili taxi, and the monuments of Kolkata. The artist has created on this is a very good quality Shonamukhi silk, very good high quality silk. This is the concept, and look at the bordering. Bordering भी बहुत सुंदर बना हुआ है. Dear friends, this is not only the print, this is a processed batik work, wax batik work on silk. And here's the archer. Oh, blouse piece. Blouse piece. And the price is, this is priced 8,500. 8,500 is a very heavy quality silk. You get it in hand, you will come to know. Trust me, this is very, very good, pure quality. Here's our typical things which we are making from Greenhouse. এটা দেখুন. But friends, do subscribe the channel, share it with your friends if you have liked, and so many of you are carrying it forward. Greenhouse is going with you, so you also give me little benefit by sharing with your friends. Look at this. How good it is, how good it is. So good. Crack on the borders, both the sides crack. Please take a look. This is the cracked portion. And here's the BP with the sari. BP with the sari. These saris are going for 7,400. It's a very good quality silk. 7,400. Very lustrous. And फॉल भी अभी एकदम जगह जगह में ठीक ठीक बैठती है इसका फॉल. Fall comes in place. This is 7,400. The quality, when I hold the sari, I get that feel. देखिए, look at this. Look at this. Look at the achal part. This is what a kind of lavender or grayish. They mix colors, you know, I can't describe it properly. Mix colors and make this color. And always we are trying to give you new colors. And this is a sort of Alpona batik. How graceful. Alpona batik. These semicircle designs, they made like rangoli, Alpona kind of thing. This is the effect. It goes in front of the yoke, and this is the whole sari. This is the total effect. And the blouse piece is here. Fantastic color, you know. Look at this, the combination, it's so striking with the blouse and with this, the base is this, and with this blouse, it looks so gorgeous. बहुत ही अच्छी है. And this is priced 6,200. 6,200. Oh, this was that again the Shonamukhi one. So this is again priced little more. This is that 8,200 wala. This is priced 8,200. It's a very richly made. This is the Pichwai effect. Aachal देखिए पहले. आँचलটা দেখুন. आँचलই তো শাড়ির বাহার. And mane extra large आँचल. You know, sometimes it comes over here, it looks so attractive. The आँचल we make sometimes extra large. It gives you that effect. और खुले গেছে শাড়িটা. So, and कामधनु देखिए. And this is the batik work. Can you beat it? Ki shundur. Pichwai effect. Total pichwai work. Those who fail to take those saris, आगे पिचवाई जिनको मिली नहीं है, ये बहुत फैंटास्टिक साड़ी है. ये फिर से आई हुई है और देखिए आपके सामने है. पिचवाई वर्क साड़ी, कामधनु with lotus flowers, lotus stems. What an effect. And the silk is giving you that sound. Look at this, it's such a good silk. Silk is luxury really. When you wear it, it graces your every occasion. This is the silk. Such a beauty. So you have to pay a little more for this. This is 8,200, dear friends. And here's the blouse. I have just opened it. This is the blouse piece of the sari. It will go very nicely. It will go. This is the one. This is the Krishna Ji ka flute on the back. This is the canvas for my artists, and they keep creating interesting things on it. And these batiks are going for 6,200 only. Dear friends, very attractive. Richness of color. Color is very important. Such a rich chocolate, deep chocolate color. Color का ही खेल है. It's game with all colors, vibrant ones. And they're all wax batik. on Bishnupur silk. Look. $6,200, dear friends, for these 6,200. So I was waiting for my batiks to come, and I thought that the new batiks are here. ये fish बनी हुई हैं. These are the designs which are repeated often because they are in demand. I couldn't satisfy everybody in one go. This is the fish made and so artistic. কি মাধুর্য শাড়িটা দেখুন, কি সুন্দর, খুব বাহারের শাড়ি. Look at this. This has a narrower effect than the lower border. জোড়া মাছের ডিজাইন. They're supposed to be very holy. খুব মাঙ্গলিক কাজগুলো. আর this will go beautifully with this blouse. This is the blouse part. This is the blouse part. This is again a good quality, that kind. I think this will give you more price. This is 7,400. I have shown you 3 types of silks today. All of them are good, but for their weight, the price varied. This is 7,400. Look at this pichwai work and the color. Color ta enjoy korun. Such a beautiful. It has a dual shade. Pichwai effect. Very smart combination. Mast hai. দেখালাম তো অনেক কিছুই আজকে. দেখুন কি ভালো কোয়ালিটি. কিছু আমরা 8,200 দেখিয়েছি, এগুলো 7,400, and we have shown in 6,200 also. We have given you 3 qualities of silks. This is like this. This is 7,400, dear friends. And we have provided the blouse piece. Look, this is matching with this border. The blouse piece is matching with the border. This is the effect. Kamdhanu royeche. You will really enjoy. Enrich your wardrobe. Ekta bhalo shari niye nin. And this is our naughty Krishna. Kothay gelo? Look at this mischievous bun is made on this. Beautiful. Such a beauty they've created. This is on tussar, but this is on tussar. A beauty. Look at this. What an ornamental design. All throughout the body is wrapped up with bricks. This is the one. With the red striking border, this is maroon. These makes a difference. For the sari, it has just highlighted the whole thing with the simple border like this. The edging is so very important. And eta dekhun. Such a wonderful work. Kajta dekhun. And we have the blouse piece over here. This is priced 8,200, dear friends. 8,200. Yes, this is the one which so many of you have liked this type of portraying my designs like this. এটার একটা পোর্ট্রে খুব ভালো লেগেছিল আপনাদের, and we have given in between also to some of our friends. This design is a geometrical pattern, but when you drape the sari, it looks very smart, very smart. খুব সুন্দর লাগে পরলেই. Look at this. This is the one. This is on the Vishnupur silk. This is a processed sari with hand batik. This was a very successful piece from my store. It keeps happening, and in different colors. So we've made this in this color this time. And the blouse piece, this is the blouse piece. Again priced 7,200, dear friends. 7,200. It's a very stylish one. It's like this. And when you wear it now, it will give you a crepe ki fall. और एकदम बैठती है साड़ी बहुत सुंदर से. This is also from the same artist, and I really enjoy their work. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. এটাও দেখুন ভীষণ সুন্দর. Look at this. This is a lovely achal. What a striking achal. And you know, these two saris, what I've shown you, they'll just, when you wear it, it's so light, and the drape is also comfortable. It gives you that, I found it like crepe. The feel was like that. খুব আরাম লাগছিল আর খুব স্টাইলিশ লাগে এটা পরলে. This is the one. This was my, not last. Acha. This is the one. ये दोनों साड़ी बहुत खास है, खास साड़ियाँ हैं दोनों ही. दोनों के डिजाइन्स काफी अच्छे आर्टिसंस ने बनाए हैं. It's made by only one of the person, but this is the one. It's a little different from the others. This is price 7,200. And this was the one on shibori, tie and dye. Yes. Enjoy this sari. These are all Kutch embroidery done up. The total effect is this. A wonderful piece. It's a precious one, dekhiye. Look at this, such a styled one with both sides Kutch embroidery. Gujarati কাজ করা রয়েছে. Scarcely this mirror has been put, encircled with again those stitches to make it prominent and lasting. And cord piping for my saris. Usually we are giving cord pipings to the tassels. This is the one. And the blouse piece, rich maroon blouse piece. This is for the back. And for the sleeves, I have used these. That's all for today, friends. Thank you so much. And stay happy, stay well. Love you all, dear friends. Thank you.